So what's up YouTube? It's your boy the Fade Master, barber out here in LA. So look, today in this video, we're gonna talk about how to make a lot of money as a barber. And to be honest, it's quite simple. So if you are a barber and you wanna make a lot of money, then I guess this video is for you. So stay tuned and pay attention because I'm about to dive in. Let's get it. Okay, so look, the way I see it is like this. There's two main things that you need to make a lot of money as a barber. Now don't get it twisted. There's a lot of things that you could do to further polish yourself as a professional. But if we're just talking about strictly making a lot of money, bro, it's really simple. Only two things, and really only one. I'm sure you came to this video expecting like a full detailed breakdown on how to make a lot of money or even tips and tricks and things like that, bro. But listen, the tips and the tricks, all that stuff is just extra coating. It's the sugar on top. The main foundation, how to make a lot of money as a barber, is simple. You need to, one, be good at cutting hair, and two, be a hard worker. That is it. And to be honest, you don't even really have to be that good at cutting hair to make a lot of money. I've seen a lot of people do it. So listen, let's get to it. This is the bread and butter. Number one, being good at cutting hair. If you are good at what you do, people will come. And honestly, you can get away with a lot of bullshit if you're good at what you do. If you are a really good barber, skilled barber, you can lack in a lot of areas and still make money because people will deal with the BS because you're so good at what you do. But listen, being good at what you do won't completely save you. And to be honest, if you have the other thing, you'll probably be a little more successful than just having number one, which is being good. So that takes me to number two, being a hard worker. This is the most important thing you need to do to become a successful and high earning barber. Just show up and work hard. Bro, I've seen it. I know a lot of barbers who aren't really the best skilled barber, but they show up every single day, put in hours, and they make more money than a lot of the barbers I know that are really good. So think about it like this. To make a lot of money as a barber, you really need to cut a lot of hair, which means you need to put in a lot of hours, a lot of time. So you have the person who's good, becomes what he wants. He's here some days he's not. He comes in late, leaves early. But you got the other person who's always there. Who do you think is gonna make more money? When I first started cutting hair, I wanted to make sure I was both. I was obsessed with becoming good, and I was obsessed with outworking people and working hard. When I first moved to LA, when I tell you, I was new here. Nobody knew me, nobody knew if I was good. And a lot of people didn't give me opportunity because I was the new barber, you know what I'm saying? But I was in that shit. When I tell you I was in the shop, bro, like from like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And sometimes I would cut one or two people, bro, I promise you. But guess what? I was always there. So how I built my clientele was simple. So I cut one person, lock them in. They come back as a returning client. The next day I maybe cut one or two people, lock them in. The next day maybe one, the day after that maybe three, whatever, you get the point. Everybody I cut, I'm lacing them and I'm making sure they return to me. And over time, I build a clientele, but I would not have been able to do that if I didn't just sit my butt down in that shop and just be there. So like I said in the beginning, there's a lot of extra things that you can do to become a fully polished and successful barber / entrepreneur. But the meat and potatoes is simple. Just be good at what you do and show up. And like I said, bro, if you're not even that good, it doesn't matter if you really show up. Because I tell you what, bro, most people, most clients, they're looking for somebody that's reliable. They might not care about getting the best haircut. They want somebody they know that's gonna be there, that's gonna be on time, that's gonna show up, and that they can rely on. The most important thing you could do to make a lot of money in this industry is just work hard, show up, come in early, leave late. It's that simple. Find you a barbershop that already has traffic, a lot of walk-in traffic, and sit there and watch over the course of time how quickly you build your clientele. If you want the extra sauce, the extra tips and tricks, you know what I'm saying, to become a full-fledged barber, powerhouse professional, then make sure you check out my ebook, man. I dive a lot deeper into things like social media, like presence, branding, all types of things, right? I'll make sure I leave a link in the description below. And that's all I got for y'all today. It's your boy, the Fade Master. Peace.